Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗦𝗍𝗀 guys. Very excited live from Sydney CBD branch. I've got Sarabhjot 8 each in PT, a perfect 90 I'll say, and Raj has got 8 each in PT and he's cleared his 𝗏𝗏 as well. Congratulations guys. Very well done. Let's start with you Sarabhjot. You've really worked hard, I'll be very honest. You've spent hours and hours. It used to take you around 2 hours to travel here.
Yeah.
Right? You have worked really hard and you've got 3 90s.
Yeah.
I would like to talk about your speaking. You were getting around 70s in speaking, right?
Yes,
this time a perfect 19 speaking. What is the secret?
I would find that the new speaking strategies which you taught me, previously I did the same thing, like even where I did the exam, it was the same center, same seat, everything was same. Read alouds were same, repeat sentences were almost I did in a similar way. But the describe image and the written lecture, which I found very interesting, and I did in a different way due to the new speaking strategies only. And I think that makes a difference.
So what do you think when it comes to the strategies, right? How important are strategies in PT? Is your PT about your English exam? Do you need skills, or what is important for PT, especially speaking?
I think if you are putting the strategies in a right way, so you can only use that strategies only in a right way if you are guided by a right person. Like there are a number of strategies you can find from Google, you can find from YouTube, but if someone is not there to teach you, to guide you that how are you using them, then the strategies are nothing. Yeah.
Because a lot of time what we see is there's a lot of content on YouTube, on Google as well. You get a lot of strategies from your friends as well.
Yeah.
But knowing a strategy and implementing a strategy are two different things. You may know a template, but if you're not implementing it correctly, things are going to be very hard. Raj, let's talk about you. The reading section was one which you were struggling a bit with, right?
Yeah.
You're a bit nervous when it comes to reading. What do you think people out there struggling in reading should do so that they can get a score like you have?
I think for reading, the only thing is practice, and just practice. You need to know all the grammar rules. You need to know all how the blanks are coming, and you need to know, because you go through all the prediction files that you guys give us. So sometimes you get you have a bit of luck and you get those blanks in the exam as well. And but I didn't have any luck, so I didn't get any in the final exam or the exam that I did it before. So I was using all the grammar rules and all the techniques that you told me to use, and be calm and composed. Be calm and composed for sure, and you'll get you'll cross the line.
That's right. I remember while you were practicing 2-3 days before your exam, you were rushing through the blanks, right?
Yeah.
So it's very important you're very calm and composed, because a lot of time we just rely on the material, repeated material. But if things are not repeated, you need to cross the line still then as well. It's not like you wait for the day where everything will be repeated and you get across it. Very important that when you practice with a purpose, you understand the context. If you don't understand the context, if you don't know the rules, things are going to be very difficult. Sarabhjot, how important are the lab sessions? When it comes to lab sessions, why you used to travel 2 hours to sit in the lab? Why you didn't practice at home?
Yeah. The first purpose for me to travel a lot from Minto to here is that in the lab you get the feedbacks. In home, what you are doing, like if you are doing it right, then it's okay. But if you are missing anything, if you are implementing the strategies in a wrong way, then it's a wastage of time. So in order to get feedback from you guys, and like in the lab you have a proper environment. When you see the next guy who was sitting to you got the result, got the same score that you, so that it motivates you as well. So motivation and a right feedback were
that's right. So basically, when you have an environment where everyone is running towards the same goal, you want to reach to the goal as soon as possible. You see that he used to sit with me and he has got the score, I'll get the score.
Exactly.
Right, so that's a feeling which motivates you, right? Even when you don't get the score, you have that thing in mind that doesn't matter what happens, I have to do it one day.
Right? Yes, you don't have any distractions like phone and stuff, because you know the teachers are around and they are looking at you.
Yes, that's right. Because at home, you feel like you'll practice, but there are a lot of distractions. You have your roommate, you have your phone, you have your Facebook, and everything comes in together and stops you from doing
you cannot stick to the schedule.
That's right. Very important you have a proper schedule. Raj, any final advice for people out there preparing for PT, not getting the score by 1 or 2 points, not sure if they'll get the score like you were at one point, right? I remember you were kind of stressed as well at first. Right? Any advice for them, please?
I would say the last time that I gave, I got 90, and I got 76. So I was so disheartened, and I came to Varun sir and I was like, there's no point of complaining because we have to do it. So there's no point of complaining. Just look back, where did you do the mistake? I was lacking in reading. So that's why I looked back. I worked with Varun sir and he told me you need to understand the context of the reading. So I worked on that and finally I got it. I would say the best advice is never give up. You will get it for sure, but never give up. And please give time to PT. It needs time. And you need to have a proper schedule for it.
That's right. That's right. Golden words, guys. Doesn't matter what happens, you are going to make it happen. Do not give up. You never know how close you are.
Yeah.
Right? You may get 70 in one attempt and next attempt you may get 90 as well. So you never know how close you are. You need to make sure you give your 120%. Any advice from you, Sarabhjot, please?
Yeah. Actually, my advice is that, like, if you have the courage, if you desire that, if you have, fire in yourself, then you can do it. Because nowadays, I think 90 is a game. It's a plaything. Everybody is getting, so it's an easy thing. If you got it, then I would suggest that everybody should come here in the Language Academy, and they are, I think, the best teachers in Australia.
That's right. Thanks for that, Sarabhjot. Guys, very important. 90 is not difficult, but you need to know how the computer works. Very, very important. You understand what is important, what not, what you have to focus on, and have the fire in you. Have the fire like he has, and you're going to get your desired score. Congratulations once again. Thanks for coming over. Very, very proud of you. All the very best. That's it from this video, guys. I'll see you very soon. A lot more success stories coming on. Stay tuned. Thank you and have a good day.